Hello, all. Today we will learn Playwright inbuilt text validations. So we can do text validation by using Playwright inbuilt methods. Okay. Okay. I'm closing all these text views. Okay, I'll copy this. I'll copy this test case. So lambda test is there, right? So we are doing this same. I already had a one text to return validation, right? Text to validation. Okay, okay. Till here, copy the code. Okay, okay. Copy this entire test case. We already have the test case. Go here. This is locator site. Under test, create on file. Playwright, text, playwright inbuilt text validations. Okay, this file. So I'm copying the entire code here. Okay. So here I'm explaining you what are playwright inbuilt uh, text validations. We can do text validation by using playwright inbuilt commands. Okay, playwright inbuilt methods. Um, so we are going to cover all this in playwright inbuilt text validation methods. Validation methods. Okay. First one, first one is text text. Second one as text. Third one text is what is the text is. So we will see all these details. I'm going to change the file name playwright inbuilt text methods. What is the first one? Text. Text. Okay. See here, I'm going with the lambda test io.browser. Go here. See lambda test when we launch the browser, right? This is a dummy data. This is the text we are going to validate. Okay. Now, so I launch the browser. I create a new context for the browser, new page, and I launch the browser. So this is the text I have copied. I mean to say this is the existing test case. See here, I already created the text validation. How to return a text validation test case? The same test case I have copied for to create this test case instead of like again typing the script. No, I'm copying and pasting. You will see the main methods. Okay. Now when see here text validation, no, I'm doing that console log. So when I'm doing console log, no, so it is printing the text is correctly, right? If it is printing the text is correctly, this is the text validation I am doing, right? I am removing these methods. So we will do the text validation another way. Okay, now it is printing, right? What is it is printing the text, the correct text it is printing. I am running this test case, copy this file, copy relative path, go here, create terminal, npx, playwright, So I am running this test case. So it is printing correctly. The text is printing. This is a dummy website. This is a dummy website for web automation testing. This is a dummy website for web automation testing. So, however, we are printing the correct text only. Now we need to do the text validation, right? So copy this, copy this line. This is the element, text content element. Okay. So this is printing the correct text validations methods. Playwright, playwright, inbuilt, inbuilt text validation methods. Okay. Now copy this. So this is the element it is identifying. Await page dot locate. This is the element it is identifying. Okay. Now instead of this one, what we'll do now? First one is what we have seen here. Text, right? Text. What is the text? Hmm? Keep keep this one like this only. Copy one more thing. Comment it. Text, right? First one. I'm directly using text. Text. What is the text? It is printing here. This is a dummy automation testing, right? Copy from here. I'm running another test. One test case got passed. You can run the report. See, locate a text content, please strong. But it is giving text content, text content, please strong. This test case passed. Okay. This is the first method, first one by using text. Okay. Okay. Now second method. Second method as text. As text, right? Await page dot locator. So this is the element, right? This is the element. Copy this text. Text already copied, right? Has text. So this is how you try it. This page dot locator as text. Just add is visible. Is visible. This text is visible. I'm adding is visible. Okay. With the help of as text. See, the text is passed, right? So third way is just copy paste the 26th and 27th line. Same. Paste here. Third one is text is text is text is what is the text is? This is the locator and this is the text is a Playwright inbuilt method for text verification, text validation as text and text, right? Just run it. Third way. See, all the tests are passed. Yeah. I hope this is a very helpful session, guys. Thank you.